Hi, I'm Chris with Partners Development Group. In this video, we'll be discussing HRV maintenance for your home. Your HRV, or your Heat Recovery Ventilation System, is responsible for taking humid air out of your home while bringing fresh air into it. Maintaining this will help sustain healthy air quality throughout your home. The first step is to remove your HRV cover. It has two latches on the bottom that need to be released. Pull the bottom of the cover towards you and lift out of the way. For recommended cleaning, follow the diagram on the heat exchanger. Every 3 months, these screens on the top left and right need to be removed, vacuumed, rinsed out, and allowed to fully dry before reinstalling. As well, remove the filter from the top right, dispose of it. This is for construction use only and does not need to be replaced. At 6 months, repeat the steps on the screens for proper cleaning. Remove the heat exchanger by placing your hand in the middle and pulling towards you. Once removed, vacuum the 4 plastic sides off. Place in a container of warm water, not using any soap, and allow to soak for 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the heat exchanger from the container, shake any excess water out, and allow to fully dry before reinstalling. Once cleaning is complete on your HRV, you will need to reinstall the cover. Line the hooks on the top of the cover up with the holes on the unit. Lower into place and secure with the bottom 2 latches. Repeat this process every 3 months. Hopefully you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our customer care department. Thank you for choosing Partners Development Group, and have a wonderful day.